Dear ladies and gentlemen, we are working on day 2 in Hong Kong. We are going to be traveling to Monster Building and then the most Instagrammable restaurant in Hong Kong. Stay tuned. Alrighty. Today is laundry day. So I gotta take my laundry down to the laundry lady and she hooks it up by the kilo. She's been waiting for me. A lot of cool little streets, cafes, bagel shops, shopping. I mean, it's crazy. Sometimes there'll be a line for something and then a half hour later it'll be completely dead. So, there it is. Beauty Laundry Company. That's where we're going. And she's been waiting for me. I told her 2 days ago, but I've just been trying to get my laundry built up so that way I pay the actual real kilo amount. Oh, she's got a line, huh? There we go. All right, I'm gonna sign off for a second while we get our laundry checked in. All right, laundry has been dropped off. I'm gonna take you guys over to where I had dinner last night. It's called Chop Chop. Here it is. Right here in Fortress Hill. So if you're in Hong Kong and you go to Fortress Hill by chance, I would say stop by Chop Chop for lunch or dinner. Fantastic. They even have a little, oh, bam. You know how much I love. She was so nice yesterday. She hooked me up with my Sing Tao and my pork shoulder. But you know, we gotta hop on the old monorail with our octopus card. So let's get going and I will see you guys in a bit once we get on the monorail. All right, we are going to try and get on one of the cool trams. Instead of going underground, I wanna ride on the cool little like Armani. I posted a picture of it yesterday, the yellow bus. But I think it's gonna be more fun to be above ground and see a bunch of cool stuff en route over to Monster Building and the most Instagrammable restaurant in Hong Kong. Let's go. There we go, guys. We made it. This is the tram, above ground tram. It's $3 and you can just get on and ride it anywhere you want. I am heading over to the spot we talked about earlier, but it does make a bunch of stops. So if you want a quick journey, you can go underground for the MRT, or if you want a beautiful view that stops a lot, you just ride this one and you'll get there when you get there. All right, guys, this is Monster Building. It's a residential area, so you don't want to be too loud or too noisy, but obviously social media is overtaken and it's just popular for everybody to come out here and take pictures and photos. It's really quite cool. I got a little lost at first, but I found it. So I'm about to turn around here in 1 second and show you guys what it really looks like. I mean, but first, look at these buildings. All right. There it is. Wish I had my drone. I'm scared to fly the drone out here, honestly. I'm about to snap some pics up, though. we've just spent a little bit of time here. Bye, thank you. Have a good day. So we just met a bunch of people from Thailand, which was really cool. But we need to head over to the most Instagrammable restaurant in Hong Kong. So gonna hop back on the tram. I give you guys one more 360 of monster building. I always do that. I always go shh when I'm spinning the camera. Make a comment if you catch me doing it. And then I'm trying not to use the word absolutely anymore because I absolutely use it way too much. All right, we have arrived to Kumachen Onsen, the most Instagrammable place in Hong Kong. I think I'm gonna get a matcha ice cream bear and maybe some lunch. Wow, look at all the artwork. A nice window view. I don't want to keep you guys waiting too long. Oh, nice, look. So you can get like meats and different foods all made in the shape of a teddy bear. Let's see what I get. Let's go. Real quickly, I want to give you guys a quick breakdown. They've got hot pot udon. I went with the spicy pork udon. After that, we can move into the salads, or later, we're going to be getting a dessert. But now, here comes the spicy pork udon. Ah, nice. Oh yeah. We're just going to let that simmer for a little bit. What's the teddy bear made out of?
This one maybe is some not chili.
Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's ice. Mm. Oh, it's flavorful too. Interesting. Okay, I think it's like a soy ice teddy bear.
You wait about 8 minutes so you can eat.
We wait 8 minutes and it's
Yeah.
gonna cook right here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can't wait. So while we're letting our spicy pork udon marinate and cook, which it cooks right here at the table at the hot pot, the restaurant closes at 3 p.m. and I got here at 2:45. So the chef said, okay, he'll make one more for me. I'm excited. And then I'm gonna be going with a matcha ice cream and it should have a green teddy bear. So stay tuned. Alrighty, I've just finished up my udon and it was spicy pork, really spicy. But as you can see, dessert has arrived. I got the matcha ice cream with the green matcha teddy bear. It's gonna go perfect with all this spiciness to cleanse my palate and give me that matcha green tea buzz that's much better than coffee. I'm a big fan of matcha green tea. I don't know if you know. If you do, you do. If you don't, I highly recommend you drink matcha green tea every single morning with breakfast. And if you can, eat a matcha green tea teddy bear every day. Woohoo! All right, so we've made it to the most Instagrammable restaurant in Hong Kong, and I have the matcha green tea teddy bear. Oh my god, so good. I highly recommend it. I'll leave the location in the comments.
That's good.
So we just finished up at the Kumachen Onsen, and it's located in the Tai Koo Plaza. Big shopping mall, fun spot. You can get anything here, but you definitely want to stop by the Kumachen Onsen. It's not an onsen. It's how I found it actually on Google Maps. I was looking for an onsen, but they tricked me. But I'm actually glad they tricked me, and I'm happy that I found it. It was really good. So after a long, hard day of video and ice cream, we gotta hit the old underground rail to Island Line, and from Island Line, we gotta hit the Fortress Hill from Tai Koo. Ah, I love 7-Eleven. All right, guys, we are at the Tai Koo station. We've got our octopus card here. Easy peasy. We need to find the island line, which I think is downstairs. So, yeah, I think we just go this way, watch. So here's my card, octopus, scan, and go, baby. I'm gonna go downstairs because I think that's where I need to go. But hey, we're not on a time crunch, so we'll find out. Wherever we go, we'll get there. Yep, figured it out. So let me zoom out a little bit for you. We are currently at Tai Koo. We need to go 1, 2, 3 to Fortress Hill. And the train has just arrived. I feel like it arrives like every 5 minutes. So it's probably gonna cost me like 50 cents. And 3 stops, we'll be back home. All right, everybody, we are back, as you can tell by the green. We're back at Fortress Hill after a long adventure today to Tai Koo to see the Monster building, as well as Kuma-chan Onsen, with the most Instagrammable restaurant in Hong Kong. If you liked this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like it, and share it. But it's time for me to log off and get some editing done, and maybe have a cold beverage. Thanks for watching.